Hey guys, here's the next part to this live mixing session of this rock track, so let's jump right back in. Whoops. We want them to go this way. And then I like to add a compressor on my drum bus. And in Logic, I pretty much, 90% of the time I'll pick the 1176 mock-up just because I like the way it sounds. I don't want to compress them too much. It just kind of adds a little bit of glue when you bus them and then compress them a little bit. And then the ring came back and our snare over there. Okay, so now on to the bass. And this has some automation, so let's check that out and see what's happening. Looks like nothing. Unless there's automation. Nope. Okay, so let's turn this off. Don't need that for right now. Okay. Whoa. It's a nice sounding bass. I like it. And then, let's see. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to duplicate it yet. Let's see what happens. And then for bass, I always give it a little notch around 50 to kind of make room for the kick to come in. I'll do a little bump around 100, separate it, and then for rock we can high pass it pretty hard. All right. And then I'm going to see what the the little radiator sounds like on it. Okay, so that's with it on. Take it off. I think we'll leave this one on. And then with bass, I usually compress it really hard. Just because I want that low end to remain nice and consistent, to be that foundation for the song. And if you have your low end, you know, flopping all around, that's one of the really easy signs of a, you know, kind of poor mix, is whenever your low end's not controlled, especially in rock music. So we want the compressor to really smash it down. Okay, so next it looks like it's just guitars and vocals. So there's some rhythm guitars. Looks like there's some clean guitars, so let's go. Let's start with the cleans and see what we can get. Oh, the automation's pulling us back in. Okay. Take that off. And then he normally sends me these, like he just uses amp sims, I guess, in GarageBand. And so I'm just gonna take, I took his off, so I'm gonna put my own on. And it's cool because I actually just got the Neural DSP Nolly. I haven't even opened it yet, so this will be me learning the Nolly and figuring out maybe if we can pull a sound out for him. Let's see. Let's just loop this and then mess with this a little bit. Okay, that's definitely not it. And then I think these, from watching the videos, I feel like these got progressively more intense as you go. Yep. What is this? I don't think I need to mess with that. Oh, here we go. Let's try the condenser. Whoa. Awesome. System overload. Well, 2 mics was too much for that one. Let's save it and turn that off. I guess I could open up my buffer size if I want. Let's see if this audio is still working now. Yeah. Why not? What? Let's see what happens if I do this. I'm still going to leave that other mic off though, because I have more stuff to go.